In today's video, this will be an update to my previous video that I've staked for around $200 onto this one. So this is the Frankenstein Finance. It has a 4,000 APR before with 0.1% fees, and it is giving 13.54% daily last 2 days ago. Right now, we're just getting around 9.37, and the total value lock is from 20 million to 29 million. So this is just a quick update to you guys. So as you can see, I have like $200 worth of franc here, and as you can see, I do have 247 already. It is because the daily that I've got for the past few days ago, I compounded it inside this platform, um, and I think the price of franc is still intact. Okay, so we can check their contract address right here. So let's just go into this one. Okay, so as you can see here, last night it was around 93. Okay, I actually want to enter more, but I am not that fortunate. So as you can see here, they just launched last May 20. And if you're going to compare this with other yield farms, okay, after it launches, the coin will just dump, dump like hell. And this time it's pretty much different. I'm getting a pretty much high returns, high daily returns on this one, and of course it carries a substantial amount of risk. So please do research first before you enter some yield farmings like this. However, it is just really good because it has 0.1% entrance fee. It does not have any buyback. It has a 0.0% buyback, which is on profits and on profits. So as you can see here, this one right here, okay, this one is just they will just get some small fee if you really made some money. So if you're going to check their tokenomics onto this part right here, this is the vault. All right, so this is the network fee, 0.2% of the performance fee will go to frank buyback and burn, 1.8 to the operators, which is not that bad at all. Okay, the deposit fee is 0.1% compared to other yield farmings that like having like a 4% tax rate, 8% tax rate, which in turn they are just paying it to their liquidity pool investors. So the bad thing on that one is it is not sustainable, because if a lot of people are trying to make money and then they will just get their money back, and then what happens is the APR goes lower and lower and lower, then it will take like few days before that token reaches zero. Okay, so that's what you need to know. Okay, on this one, um, they do have a roadmap as well. Their audit will be completed tomorrow. So right now it is May 24 in my time. It will be completed at May 24 by Tech Rate. They are already impending, as you can see here. But this one is looking good. I think someone told us that this is more like a fork of a swamp. But I think I'm just really in love into this project. Okay, as you can see, um, they're not doing those cheeky promotions like uh, it's just really transparent. uh, okay, they're also planning to get listed in CoinGecko, on CMC, and Blockfolio. So they're also adding new farms. So as you can see here, they've added a lot of farms here, even a lot of LTO. They do have an LTO, an XRP, a WIN, BTT TRX, Haka IOTX, TPT BTCB, DAI, which is a stablecoin, USDC and USDT. So they're adding it here. You can probably see it right back. into the lower section of the screen. And there's really a lot of farms onto this one. I mean, I'm pretty much glad that they have a lot of like choices that they can probably give to their yield farming seekers. Okay, so they're not working on BSC only. They do have FTM as well. For those people who do not know FTM, it is a Fantom. It is rank 94, and it is a directed acrylic graph smart contract platform giving DeFi services to developers using its own bespoke consensus algorithm. Together with its in-house token FTM, it aims to solve problems associated with smart contract platforms, specifically transaction speed, which developers say they have reduced to under 2 seconds. Okay, so it is really good. Okay, it was been founded by a South Korean scientist, so it is also unique. Okay, they are trying to match Ethereum onto this one. They do have 40 million into development side right here, so you can find more onto this side right here, Fantom. They do have really good 94. Current price is around 0.28. Later on, if I know how to create this one, I'm going to create another video for that. However, this is pretty much a good thing to enjoy because of course, you're earning franc. Okay, franc stays into its really current price. So in this part right here, this is more like a real yield farm. Okay, because you don't even need to, like, I mean, in my case, I don't have any what do you call that? I don't have any thoughts, like I don't have any food that the franc will go down, because as you can see here, they really maintain the value. They launched last 3 days ago, and still it is still the value. However, if you're going to look on other yield farms into the other chain, as you can see, they go up and then they go down really fast. So this is just an example. Okay, so this is more like a good example. I even got victimized onto this one as well. So as you can see here, LH token is around 0.05, and I bought and added this one. So you will get wrecked in the future. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm going to post the link below into this video, so that you can also join Frank, and of course you can check my other videos of Frankenstein as well. So see you to my next video, and peace.